Hello, YouTube. From the 3 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I woke up this morning and chose DOD. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get it, y'all. Sorry I'm a few minutes late. What's good, what's good, what's good? What's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? Check, 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 check. All right, there we go. Let's see, boom. Wait, no, that's not right. All right, guys, we got a new week ahead. Got a new week ahead. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's going on TikTok? As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything's head here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Buenos dias, everybody. I fixed the 2-bar of the weekend. Yeah, right? We'll see. We'll see. This is new week. New week ahead. New week ahead. New week ahead, my friends. Gonna likely size down today. See if we can get a nice win under our belt to start the week. And go from there. Did I watch oil futures over the weekend? Honestly, I didn't. I did not watch oil futures. Oh, let's go. I was ripping the subs in bro's live stream. That shit is hilarious. Man, what a freaking move back up last night overnight. That 24,000 bounce would have been it. That 24,000 bounce would have been it. I know you would have taken that, Grizzly, if you were on last night. That 24,000 bounce, just money bags. We're coming back. I was ripping the subs in TJR stream. That shit is hilarious, dude. That's so funny. I love doing that. It's so funny, bro. I don't even know what a sub is. I don't even know what a sub is on Cake, but I'm dropping them. Y'all are in two opposite streams if you're watching me and TJR. I like TJR. It's just funny. You're in DOD and something. Oh, and I'm live. All right, folks. We are back in action this week. Had my first red week in like a year. Probably over a year last week. So we're ready to focus it back up. Where's everybody checking in from? Where are y'all checking in from this morning? Where's everybody checking in from this fine, beautiful morning? Idaho. Toronto, Wisconsin. What's up, Grizzly Glock? DOD land. I need Gene to come. I hope so, man. I'm taking things nice and easy this week. Come on, vibe. High and off the ground is like my toe. We got a gap fill above. I'd like to target too, that 600. All right, let's see here. I'm going to try to get a nice win under the belt to start the week. Size down a bit, and then move forward. It's funny, I had these dudes in my inbox that were like, Jdun, you lost so many trades last week. You're over. I'm like, well, you guys you are the exact person who will never make it in trading. Honestly, I don't feel bad. If people think that it's a 100% win rate and 100% green days and 100% success, it's like you're the exact person who ain't ever gonna make it, my guy. And as much as that sucks, it is what it is, Like what's his name? Tom Hugard says the best loser wins. I could have a red month. Heck, even a red quarter. I mean, that would be insane, but it wouldn't deviate from the fact that we'd show up and manage risk every day and keep moving forward. The only time you're in trouble for losing is when you go off the deep end and tilt out and lose massive amounts of money. Like for me, if I went off the deep end and lost like 20 grand in a day, I'd be like, all right, this is not okay. Everyone's all excited about Tradeovate's manual lockout button. When you've already had a manual lockout button for the last year. It's called the X on the top right of your screen. Alpha Trader. I have an Alpha Futures code. I don't know what Alpha Trader is. Have you started buying Bitcoin again? I haven't started buying Bitcoin again. I mean, I own a shitload, but I've been very cautious on this consolidation period of buying. Let's get it, y'all. We got 3 minutes till open. You know what's kind of exciting too? Is I officially qualified on 2 Tradeify Select accounts for daily payouts. I'm past the buffer. I actually need to take my first payout probably today. I thought Arizona didn't have daylight savings time. Could have sworn. I could have sworn y'all didn't have daylight savings time. We got 1 minute. You ready to rock this, Grizzly? You ready to rock this, Grizzly Glock? Get my socks up. Voice today, please. We got 1 minute, y'all. Screen share is up, everybody. Let's get it. I'm going to focus today. I still think there's a good chance that we fill this gap to the upside, everybody. There's a good chance we fill that gap up. I'd love to see us come test above pre-market high, retest, and then go fill the gap. That would be perfect scenario today. Do we get it? I'm not sure, but that'd be the ideal situation. What Grizzly Glock? Let's do it. Let's get it. Yup. You guys all tapped in, choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe today. Let's get it.
Trend above 24,500 is my main watch today. I'd like to catch a nice entry somewhere in that area. Longs. Looking for longs. Oh yeah, doctor, I remember well. Oh, it was like this. Use this time change.
It was weird. I woke up this morning and it was still dark out. I was like, all right, that's why it feels so early. All right. If we can get this strong close above 24,500, that's my main watch too. It's my main watch today, folks. Was good, YouTube? Was good, everybody? I hope we had a nice day today. That's what I'm watching for. Got to pay for daycare. It's crazy. Okay. Maybe I'll watch some individual names today too. Need myself a nice, big, beautiful green day today. Sponsored by DOD.
I thought you was going towards steak with that.
I had that last night.
Well, sushi is a good idea as well.
I had steak and sushi last night.
I'm talking about.
I had sushi and steak last night. What one are you buying? I'm not buying anything right now. Just waiting. Oh, it's such a good weekend, guys. Last week's trading week was kind of cheeks, but I'm ready to come out and kill it this week. You see that manual walkout feature on Tradeovate, Grizzly?
I mean, they've always had the risk
Yeah.
settings you can use.
I know. I'm like, you've always had a manual walkout. It's called the X on the top right corner.
I mean, they haven't where you can set like $1,000 max loss, it locks you out. Your profit, $2,000 max profit locks you out for the day. What did they add? Did they add something
There's like an actual manual walkout on prop firms now.
on the prop firm?
On prop firm accounts, not on live accounts. Only on prop firm accounts, you can manual walk out your account.
Yeah, you can do it. You have the ability to do that with personal.
I'm like, but we've all, if it helps you with tilt prevention and it helps you not blow yourself up, then I'm game for it. I'm game for it.
I mean, it definitely helps with tilt prevention, I feel like.
Rip me out, kept me out. Options moving like trash. The power off on your PC works too. Yep. We're not. Wow. Watch us reject that 500, then move down. Don't do it. Give us a nice trend up, fill the gap, and then die. The butts at the go down. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're 8 minutes in. Don't make me bring out the mask today. Don't make me do it. I will. The hour switch messed up me. I feel like it messed a lot of people up this morning. That 24,000 bounce smacked last night too. With a heater. Was a heater. Power hour with what it do? What it is? So let's see here. Live. Okay. Just waiting, guys. Staying patient, especially after last week. Definitely going to just take things a little easier. Stay patient. Trade smart. Trade safe. And execute when the market lets us. And execute when the market gives us a DOD-based setup. We're choosing discipline over cheap garbage dopamine. Not taking last week's results with us. This time. What I spent on you. Where'd you go? This in my room. Unbelievable. No, we don't want any garbage dopamine, my boy. None of that. Let's see our data for this week, too. What do we got? Market watch data calendar. Feel like that daylight savings had everyone sleeping this morning. Me so new. Rough for us West Coasters, oh, I'm sure. y'all gotta adapt and get acclimated to that hour being lost. Here is the data. -9 through 3-13. Let's get it. So today we got nothing. We have CPI on Wednesday. That should be good. That should give us some nice movement. Don't know. Yeah, I'm about to take my first daily payout Oh, whoops. On these trade if I select accounts today. What's up, Dean? And guess who just arrived, baby? Oh my gosh, how ridiculous. Let's get it. Let's stay focused, trade smart, and trade safe. All right, our 15-minute range is in as well as our pre-market high and low. So we're going to go ahead and mark that out. And now we wait. And we just wait. We'll wait for an A plus setup. What the? That is actually hilarious. Nom, 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 baby. Bear's going to eat. Raw milk. I used to drink some raw milk. I just kind of hurts my tummy a little bit. I do bully Grizzly a little bit. Except for on Fridays. We eat steak together on Fridays. Yeah, where the haters at? Come on. We have way less people today. I feel like that hour of daylight savings messed people up. I feel like that hour of daylight savings messed people up today. They all late to work. Better not be. Guys, I am doing something though. I think I'm gonna get a team bowl paddle ball, whatever it's called, racket, paddle. I played for the first time. Played racquetball for the first, paddle ball for the first time. Pickleball. That's what it's called. I don't even know what it's called. Pickleball. I'm gonna get a pickle. Is it called a pickle paddle? I'm getting a team bowl pickle paddle. I've one that has Team Bowl logo on it. And then I'm gonna do one that has DOD on it.
That's real struggles, upset because the daylight savings time messed up your coffee maker time.
That's some first world problems right there.
You're down bad this morning.
You didn't see that?
No, that's awesome. When did they add that?
This weekend. I was doing some back testing this weekend, and I decided I'm going to start adding VWAP back to my chart too. I wasn't really using it as much, but I'm going to start adding VWAP back as well. Yeah, I'm going to add VWAP back to my chart as well. I was just looking at some charts this weekend and going back on what the market did after my red week last week, and decided I was going to add it back and stick with how I trade. Catch more trends. I mean, VWAP at its core, you can kind of suspect if price is trending above VWAP, you're going to move up. If price is trending below it, you're going to move down. And if you get an aggressive move down, kind of like with our 2-bar, and you go and retest VWAP, there's a good chance that area is going to be the area that you find your lower high or higher low, vice versa. Oh, I don't even remember my last red week. It's been a long time. But it happens. I could have another red week this week. That would suck, but it's certainly possible. You was red all last week. What? I made like 2,300 on Tuesday. I lost like $1,000 last week. My lowest green week of the year has been like $5,000. So if I lose $1,000 one week and make a minimum of $5,000 every other week, people are like, nope, red week only. Like, what are you literally talking about? Every social media trader you guys follow never has red days, weeks, or months. Apparently, it's only real traders that have any red. The gurus are never red. This hourly candle's looking very bearish. New week, yep. I want you guys all to choose DOD this week, whether you win, lose, or draw. You lose, keep it small. You win, focus on growing it. Focus on having bigger winners. Yep, we trade smart and trade safe and move forward, baby. Got another payout approved this morning. Thanks for Jdun and DOD. Let's go. What's the play? We're going to find out. In our poll, where's our whole chat this morning, YouTube? Where's everybody at? Everyone's sleeping. I was also on like 15 minutes late.
Still watching this area for a balanced team bull. I'm just gonna see what kind of confirmation angle we can get.
I was napping for real. Yeah, all right. You hardly read the comments. Would you rather me focus on trading
Says Asia high.
or having a Q&A?
But I want a actual 5-minute candle confirming. I wasn't interested in the initial touch.
I trade on both prop firms and live. Primarily live, but I got like 100K in payouts last year. I also disqualified some select accounts on Tradeify for daily payouts. Like I passed the buffer so I can get daily payouts now. About to take my first one. I should go take it today. One more green day for a payout. Nice. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. Occasionally in Beck. I mean, not all the time, but here and there. Here and there. Before Star-Lord. All right, let's get it, y'all.
You want this?
Sure.
Beautiful.
Thanks, Mr. Gene. Mr. Gene got me my double pay down. Pay down is in the house today. He's back. He was hibernating last week, but he's back today.
I love that button.
This world is on fire. This is gold. No, I trade the NASDAQ. I feel like the real move on the NASDAQ was last night. Look at that Asia session. First off, you had a beautiful trend down. Beautiful trend down after that push here, move down, and then you found a nice low at whole site number 24,000. Found that low, and then it's trended up. That's some beautiful price action. Asia and London. What do you think, Gene? Which way are we pushing today?
I don't know.
I'm being patient today after last week. I'm being patient today for sure. Ooh. Woo. For those of you on prop firms, Tradeovate did add a manual walkout feature. So if you forgot how to use the X on the top right hand corner of your screen, you can always use the manual walkout in Tradeovate now too. Win your trades, go walk it right away. Not a bad idea if you really can't keep yourself from over trading. I like to say practice your discipline, but you know, that's on you. Oh, I had to blow my nose. Sorry, guys. Oh. Got the Puffs Plus lotion, though. And this could very well be a no trade Monday for me. Unless I get something really good, I'm not taking it. One in the DOD. Yep, Tradeovate did add a manual walkout feature. Yep. They did. On only on prop accounts, though, not on live. Swipes, that's a great idea, bro. A little bit. I don't like spring forward. I like fall back. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. ICT or me? ICT or me? We know the answer to that. As a reminder, if you guys need an account to trade with, you guys can use code Jdun on any of our partner firms. Right now, the best deal, in my opinion, is Apex. They just added end of day drawdown. You can trade up to 20 accounts. Use code Jdun. It's only $29 for a 50K Tradeovate end of day account. Not bad. Hopefully, I can do a better job helping you guys pass them this week. You know, Jdun, thanks so much for teaching me ICT. You're really the GOAT. By ICT, if you mean I catch trades, then yeah, I guess you could call my strategy that, but certainly not ICT trading concepts. Certainly no. No Lucid code, but Tradeify. Tradeify is better. So if you want a better account, go to Tradeify and use code Jdun. Don't away. I'd love to see a nice, beautiful uptrend up to that gap fill. My min watch today. All right. Let's get it. What's that volume? $350. Look at this price action, guys. What the heck is this? If we had higher volume in this 5 minute, I might look for a higher low here for call or for longs, excuse me, but just waiting. Oh, nothing yet. Nothing yet for me. Nothing yet for me. I'm staying real patient today after my lovely week last week. I never took a trade. I wish I didn't take any trades last week. I have more money than I do now. Yeah, Tesla's hurting bad. Tesla 382. Like Tom Petty said, free falling. And she's free falling. I better not lose a damn trade. Uh-oh. That sounds like a lot of pressure. Burning on my ways. Do I have an ad zone long term for Tesla I like? Not a ton. I mean, honestly, I like the stock long term a lot from a tech standpoint. 382 for maybe like 350. 350 looks good. 350 to 360. You see anything you like, Grizzly? Grizzly Glauk. See anything you're a fan of? See anything you like?
And nothing. Not right now. I was looking for this bounce down here, but it's already happened. The candle that confirmed was just ugly. And nothing yet.
It is an ugly candle. I wouldn't say too far to the downside. Trend hasn't really been down yet, and trend pre-market shifted upwards. We had a big gap down, but our relative trend on the down market was to the upside, not downside. Yep, I'm going to trade with less size today. For sure.
Previous candle has some good volume.
The 15-minute chart looks bearish. 15 minutes pointing downwards. A sweep at that pre-market high. See how it ends up. Should I take my first daily payout today from Tradeify, Gene? Let's develop all these select accounts. You can do that. What do you think of FFF's new Prime account?
Me?
Yeah.
I haven't seen it. Let me check.
It's 3 days to pay out.
I don't think that was no idea they can do it on the payout.
Really?
I haven't got any I've seen cards up 2 days so far. I mean 5 more days and another 8 days. What did they get rid of?
What?
What account did
I think the classic maybe.
Yeah, that's what they got rid of.
And now they have the Prime. Gene did get his payout. Yep. 7 Rackos. The Prime plan is 1 day to pass. No activation fee. And 3 days to pay out. It's actually pretty solid if they can maintain that.
Oh, they launched it.
Yeah. That's actually pretty solid.
Yeah, very consistent.
Whew. We need to gamble. What? I mean, every prop firm wants you to gamble. That's obvious. Durr. Can't believe I'm coming up on 2 years of no alcohol. I just drink iced tea all the time now instead. Me and GD. GD put me on to iced tea. For real. Jdun, when you trim, do you take half your position off? It depends. It honestly depends on the trade. Today, if I take a trade, I likely will. I'll be a little more risk off. I'm going to go for less R multiple on a trade, any trade that I take today. Do I think you could trade your... Do I think you could change your life with 2 150K fundeds? I mean, short term, yes. Long term, probably not. Depends on what you mean by change your life. Why would prop firms want you to gamble if they make money when you make money? They make money when you fail your evals. And that's the prop firm model. As long as they pay the good traders, though, it is what it is. I mean, if you lose money on a prop firm account, you will likely lose money on a live account too. In a lot of scenarios. You just happen to be able to lose less. That's why they're a good tool. They're not the end all be all, but they are a good tool. No trades for me yet here, guys. Yeah, it's not actually a traditional prop firm. No. They're just called that. They're more so called funding companies. Funding companies. This PA is a lot. I still prefer the upside. Not right now. Obviously, we made this potential lower high, but I would still love to see a move above this pre-market high and 15-minute high and go test this gap fill up here. That would be my ideal scenario. Oh boy, I had some crazy good workouts this weekend on the bright side. That was a positive. Watch my Nuggets beat the Lakers and then get absolutely throttled by the Knicks. Absolutely throttled by the Knicks. Completely.
Damn, the Spurs are number 2 in the Western Conference.
Yep, dude, they're nice.
Yeah, they're my family sound.
Let's go next. Yeah, you guys kicked my Nuggets butts, that's for sure. I seen Jamal sprain his ankle too, yep. No new trades for me, guys. Just waiting. It's a Monday. It's my least profitable day, according to my data. Had a red week last week, so there's a good chance I don't take anything today. We'll see.
All right, Inky, I'm gonna need you to do something today. You know, just a casual 300 point chop zone.
We might have live trading on Friday this week too. If you're in Colorado or you want to come out to Colorado and trade live at the office, I believe we're going to have live trading in person. We didn't have it last week. When was your last? I don't know. It was a long time ago. I was going to say my last red week was last week. But besides that, oh gosh, it's been a really long time. But again, I always say I'm not immune to it. I always like to say I'm not immune to red days, weeks, not immune to a red month. But I use DOD. So thing is with me, like my minimum, the least amount I made in a week this year, up to this point, mind you, it's only been 2 months, has been like $5,000. I lost just over $1,000 last week. Like I could lose for the next 3 weeks if I kept my losses small, $1,000, $2,000 a week. I could technically speaking have a red month and still be very, 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 very green in the year. So that's how I look at risk. It sucks. It sucks losing. It's not like it's unnatural for us, considering we're so used to going to school, going to get a job, and getting paid for our time. And in trading, you don't get paid for your time. You get paid for your execution. You get paid for your performance. Yep. Well, yeah. If I keep losing, I'm just going to start. If I keep losing, I'm just going to the headquarters and bringing students in because then I'll win. Then if I lose there, you know I'm really cooked. But you're a professional. Why are you thinking about consecutively losing? That's you just answered exactly why I am a professional. Because professionals don't think about winning. They think about how they can manage their losers. Amateurs think, oh, I just need to win all the time. Professionals think, how can I minimize my losses and how can I keep my losses that I'm going to have naturally to a minimum and grow my winners? That's the mindset shift a lot of you guys got to have. When you're constantly just thinking about winning and making money and that's it, when the red comes, that's why you blow yourself up. You can't take it. For me, honestly, it's more annoying because obviously I stream and trade live with Team Bull every day. It's like, it's more frustrating to me when I lose because I don't like losing for people. For myself being red, I honestly don't care because I know it's part of the process. I can't avoid it. If I didn't want to be red anymore, I'd quit trading. You know, if I never wanted to lose a trade again, the only way you're going to do that is by quitting. That's some cold hard facts. You feel me? Oh, thank you, Gene. This is dangerous. PA. One thing I can tell you is if you come in and rock with me every morning, which I appreciate you guys doing every single day, I'm going to help you have smaller losses and bigger wins. Spoken like a professional trader. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, we're got support from the 15-minute low. I actually don't hate the idea of a pullback for longs. I just don't want to get swept out below these lows and then see it rip. Just bum my face. I like the idea of longs on a pullback to like 400. What? Well, yeah, I don't love. I'm saying I like. I don't love. I think there's a world where we want to break out of this trend and we want to go test these highs. But it's very aggressive right now, so we'll see. I'll let you guys know if I take anything. I don't want to get caught in the chop. What trade copier do I recommend? I don't recommend any trade copiers besides like inner trade of 8. I can't recommend any because I haven't used any. What is this price action, bro? This is literally some kill your account price action. These whipsaws. Why do your bots follow me? They're very annoying. I hate them. I will never follow you or ask you for money, any of that. See how this 5-minute closes. These candles are aggressive. So just got to be real careful. Part of me is tempted to try the longs down here. This is just such aggressive moves up and down. I don't want to get swept out. It's going to be a really good A+ setup if I take it on a Monday. Jdun's live is the unpatched follower method, right? You follow the live stream, you get 20 fake Jduns that will follow you. All right. We got 20 more seconds on this candle. Ooh. Go take a W. Nope. Didn't take an L though, which technically right now is a W with these candles. All right, let's see what we get. I still favor upside until we break and hold below these lows down here. I just think if we do find an upside trade, it's going to take a little wider stop loss with how aggressive these wicks up and down are. Oh, I had told you I was doing some back testing over the weekend and decided that I wanted to add VWAP back into my chart. Doesn't make a huge difference, but just another tool I want to add to my arsenal. I didn't perform super well last week, so I'm just testing it out. Just adding it to the lineup, and it's a real simple tool. It's something I used for I used VWAP every day for years. I seen that on my back testing. It was given some good directional bias, and so I'm just adding it to the chart. Doesn't make a huge difference, but even if it keeps me out of a bad trade, that's still a win. You see anything you like, Grizzly? I don't personally have anything yet. I don't see anything I like quite yet. Let me show. Let's see here. What up, dog?
What's up, man?
Dude, oil is freaking nuts. Oil went up to 120 last night. You see that? Pumping. This price action's actually been decently clean on oil too.
There's a guy at my gym telling me that he just put most of his money into oil last week. So
Damn, he's cooking then.
yeah,
Bro's cooking.
Happy this morning.
Oh, I still favor the longs, but again, we could just flush down the low a day. So we have that pre-market trend up. We've made higher low, higher low. We still have that gap to fill to the upside. We'll see.
This is the first candle I've seen break out of this pattern.
Yep.
Let's see what we get here. Give us some high volume.
Speaking on some games. That 400 area was it. That was the one.
You hear that, Jdun?
What?
I became a dad in 2013.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I think everyone else is getting old, not myself.
Everyone else is, not you though. All right, let's see if this gives us a nice confirmation candle for the longs. For the longs. Dunno, 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 dunno. Meant to be. Only dreaming that you're missing me. I still like the longs, guys. Let me see a slight pullback down to like 450. They got a confirmation candle. Only thing I don't like is we're still below pre-market low. That's my only negative there. Is this the way it's meant to be? We touched that 50% almost to a T and then moved up. Big bone. Oh man, come on. See what they give us here, guys. Staying super patient today. I miss you here, now you're gone. For the next trade I take, I will be trading micros with a bit lighter size, just so you guys know. Less risk on for me if I take a trade today. You're at home. Don't be crazy. Now you're gone. We got a gap to fill to the upside up at 600 as well. That's my main watch. I'd love to see us get a strong candle and then trend our way up to 600 without getting stopped out prior. Yeah, right. One more minute on this candle. Let's see how it closes. All right, let's see. It might give us the volume too. I didn't think it was going to, but she might. Come on, pull back. I'm 100% watching for a pullback, guys, to like 500.
What's up, Team Bull?
You watching for the pullback for longs too?
Yeah, 500, Eric.
Yep.
Been waiting on that candle all morning. That's just going to rip up and not give us a pullback. Watch.
Yep, that's the one.
Even like 505. 505. Come on, go back.
60.
Please just don't rip up.
I'd even say arguably like 510.
Yeah, anywhere in there. Just don't go straight up after getting us a nice confirmation.
Like anywhere in this 15-minute to pre-market high area. I like this whole area. Like this whole zone right here. Oh, whoops.
Okay.
This whole zone in here looks solid.
Technically, that confirms the warp to the upside as well and trend.
I know. Just want one minor pullback.
Question is it going to be one of the candles like we had early on, the 100-point red candles that didn't make sense?
It's not going to give it to us, is it?
It's going to be a shame if it waited on that one candle all morning.
Come on. Pull back. Pull back. Ugh. Retrace and rip. The breakout actually doesn't look bad here. I just definitely not breakout trading after last week. Yeah, the gap technically fills at like 660, 670 area, 660 area, but that previous day low is at 600. I want to see that pull back down and then rip. I will try the longs if we pull back into this zone down here, everybody. So you guys know. Preferably like 500, but I'm willing to try it a little early too. It might not pull back though. It might just be straight breakout. If that's the case, then I will wait. It looks good to the upside. It looks great. Just want to see a bit of a pullback first. Upside is looking good. Upside is looking good.
Now, what do we do with this candle having higher volume? Do we look for a bounce here?
I typically would, but after my week last week, I'm playing it safer. I wouldn't blame you though.
Like this last week that printed.
Yeah, we definitely could hit a 2-bar here. I just am being a little more cautious today. we get this pullback down to like, there we go. We might get it here. Let's see.
Went straight down to a bounce.
The 2-bar is playing. I'm just sitting this one out because of my week last week. And it being Monday, just taking it a little more cautious today. This is technically a valid 2-bar, though, with this 50% retracement. Would have been at like 550. Yeah, she gone now, but the volume's higher. What are you talking about? Volume's not the same. Two bars going. That 2-bar is going. We'll see if she keeps it up. There's one aggressive pullback. It's not looking like they want to give it, but that's what I'd like to see. Faded myself. How'd I fade myself? Two bars going. Typically would have taken that, but not today. Literally like to a freaking T. Love to see us pull back to this zone right here. Please give us a move down to like right here. That would be ideal. Is boom, boom. It's like I faded myself. What you mean? Oh, I know. I've had to piss for like 5 minutes. Second I get up, I know I'm going to get my move. That's the problem. Second I stand up, like, yep, bounce level comes. Market hits. We're about an hour and a half in, guys. This is your reminder to choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe. Choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive dopamine. Let's find ourselves a winner. Take one for the team. So I could set like a limit buy at like 25,000, 510. Come on. Dun. Come on. Come on. A little more. Come on. Give a little more pullback. Couldn't even get the 15-minute high. The volume doesn't look great, but the price. Name. Looks like that was it. Looks like that was the higher low. I wanted to see us pull into this zone. Just didn't quite give it. I was hoping for that dip. Doesn't look like we're going to get it, though. We got a dip down to almost 15-minute high. Not quite there. I think longs are technically valid up here. It's just risky. I still want to wait till my bounce area. When it comes to hygiene, I gotta take a piss. Of course, Mark. You know what? Hold on. If we go to 25,000, 510, you have permission to press buy. All right.
25,000 what?
500 to like 510 ish.
Okay.
Just press buy market.
You better hurry, cause I don't like doing this. I don't like doing this. No. I can't do it. You guys are bad. No, I'm not full putting his account. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. I can't. No. La verga. Bro, these people are against you.
What?
They're all telling me to full put your account.
Terrible.
Everybody. Terrible.
DOD port is crazy. I like the longs. I just have to have risk pull like 530. I'd rather see my bounce area come first. The main trade I like right now is still a bounce in this area. I'm 100% willing to try a bounce down here. With worst case scenario stops below here. If we get it, I'm tempted to try longs up in here with an initial stop below 530. Just a little high risk. Looks like we want to go test that 600 magnet. That's that previous day low. Oh, come on, baby. This has not been a real good retracement market. There hasn't been a lot of good retracements. It's been more so breakouts. That's something I noticed a lot too. Looking at my charts over the weekend, it's just been a lot of breakouts. And on the retest, there's been a lot of, you've needed a larger stop loss.
Like another no trade Monday for me, Team Bull.
You out of here?
Dude, just not give me a setup. Look, plus it came from bouncing the 15-minute range low or high rather. There's just nothing else I would take. You see something else you like here? Anybody? I'm down to take a trade. Just don't see a legit setup.
The manual lockout button is crazy. That's crazy. It didn't. If we would have gotten them moved back down to that 15-minute high, this whole area I was willing to try longs.
Yeah, we came close to it too. We just didn't quite get there. 6 points away, 7.
Yep.
It's unfortunate, man. I was hoping we'd catch a nice trade today, but I'm okay. Serving my capital.
Yeah.
Always
I got about
back in the morning to see if we can't lock one in.
I got about 25 more minutes and I'm out of here.
I mean, the main bounce area that's watching back was right here this morning. I don't know if you all was listening to me talk about it pre-market and the market open. This candle here almost confirmed for me, but looking at it, you can see why I was hesitant to take anything based off of that.
Yep. Oh, there's that 600. Be very.
Gene can pull a nice trade out for Asia.
Yeah. Yep. New York has been a little tricky. Maybe I'll start trading Asia with you.
Yes, please. Grizzly too.
And I don't see what he sees. I just be hanging out.
Just be hanging. And we almost touched that 600. All right, my DOD friends, I got about 20 more minutes here. I trade smart, trade safe. I don't ping off 5 trades in the morning. I don't sit there and rattle trades back and forth. That's not my trading strategy. That's not what we do in this group. That's not what we stand for. That's not what we do. So if you're looking for trade after trade after trade, then that's not the place to find it here. If you're looking for long, short, long, short, short, long, long, not the place here. They don't work long term. It's nearly impossible to be profitable that way. We choose DOD, we trade smart, we trade safe, we stay focused. If you get what I'm saying. You don't need to catch 69 bangers a day. A broken clock is right twice a day. These people on YouTube come in and talk to you the whole time. It's like, why are you watching? They come in just to watch. I mean, they love watching me. I mean, how could you not, right? I help you stay disciplined. I help you make money for the most part. I'll just never understand. Tell me why. Respond right now. Tell me why you're here. If you hate watching me. I love my supporters. I'm talking about the haters. Yep. You focus on DOD. Focus on DOD every day, baby. Man, there's that 600 touch. I wanted to see us tap into that pre-market high and 15-minute high. Never got it. Taking my daughter on vacation next week from profits while watching you. I have tears of gratitude. Let's go. It's DOD, baby. Oh, I'm bummed they didn't give us that retest back into this whole area. I'd also be very careful. My boy Swoosh, what's good, bro? DOD up in Team Bull only. If you're trading with me, you're choosing DOD. I tried to start trading with $100, and he said I don't have enough money. It said I don't have enough money. Well, $100 is hard to start with. You can buy prop firm accounts with it. You got some good prop firm saving deals right now, too. Tradeify is 30% off, Apex 85, Alpha, I think 10, and then Vanquish for my options trader is like 50% off. Pretty solid. I'd love to get a nice trade so we can pass some more accounts. If it would ever give a solid pullback, that would be great. Dun, 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 dun. There were some decent opportunities for longs today. Just didn't happen to get the pullback I wanted, and I was being extra cautious with what's it called? With my Friday and then with last week's results. Don't. Grizzly, you still here? Nope. Grizzly left. It's just me. It's just me. Irish, goodbye. I know he said he was thinking about leaving. Didn't hear him actually say bye. All right. We got that gap fill up at like 660. Yeah, that gap fill up at like 660. I still think there's a chance we get a move today. I still think, like, obviously we're moving, but like a decent move. I'll hop in and trade with you. All right. Let's get it. I love my jorts. Oh. You know I'm a big jorts guy. Come on now. I'm the jorts master. I'm the short king and the jorts master. I'm the meat master of the jorts. That's right. That's exactly it right there. That's the next step. We're the New Balances. Give me a nice pair of New Balances for real. What, Gene? Yep. Gene will also be live on Asia every night this week, Gene.
Unless they don't want me.
Yeah, people are crazy. It's like when someone's not a fit for this team, I act. When feedback says that the team needs to change, I act. Right? When people take advantage of what I built, I act. End of story. If you guys want 100 signals from a chat, you guys, there's plenty of signals groups out there. Go get them. I take our feedback, like in the surveys we took, I take that very seriously. Take that very seriously, what people say and what you guys need from Team Bull and from myself primarily. From myself trading for you guys every single day. I know, give us a deeper. I feel like we want to go fill that gap up at like 660. That's what it seems like it wants to do. All right. Yep, always going to keep it real. Jen, I appreciate you. Oh, I got a crazy Guam. Don't get me started on the typing. Oh, I can't believe it never got that pullback. Even if we would have touched that 15-minute high, I was willing to add it early in like 520. this whole area right here that you see on screen share. Why do you never trade? Well, unfortunately, I traded last week and I lost money. Maybe 660. Gene's gonna catch a banger in Asia. I'm not worried about it.
Well, thank you for the question.
Yep. Come on, Gene. Everyone needs a banger. Yep. I've decided I'm retiring from trading and I'll be moving my talents to pickleball.
That's a big pickleball player. Jacob's gonna compete with 7-year-olds.
Yep. I'm making a team bowl paddle. I need a team bowl paddle and a DOD one. I want to get I want to customize a DOD paddle. I played one time. I'm like, yup. Pain. Literally 7 points from entry. You know, it was also pain was this candle right here. We never went in that retested that like 450 area I was watching. We just about got there. We were like 463. Just about got there. Tall people excel at pickleball, right? I go up to I run up to the kitchen. That's what it's called, right? That's what that one area is called, the kitchen. And I can reach my hand over without stepping in it. It's great. Yeah, I'm just not a gossiper. I'm just not going to do that. So I make the best decisions for this live stream and for Team Bowl. And that's it. I just imagine Jdun running into the kitchen. Movement might just be beginning. We'll see. That's awesome, Delaney. Let's go. That's great. Jdun base, it's king on my live account. Should I take this daily payout, Gene? I didn't. You know what's funny is I'd been building these Tradeify accounts up, only trading micros. And I've had the selects for a minute. I have two select accounts that are both at 2460 profit. So they're each valuable for like, or eligible for like a $360 payout. I thought it was 2,500 for some reason, but it's 2,100 for the buffer. Only trading micros too. Only trading micros. Usually like anywhere from like 2 to 5. Depends. Yo, yeah, CPI Wednesday to pass some accounts for sure. Some Apexes. Oh yeah, 1 day pass.
I'll take one of them from Apexes too.
Oh, let's see if they give us a nice. We almost filled that gap. We got like 10 points away from. That's 660. Let's see. No, I don't. I would never trade micros on an eval. I would never trade micros on an eval, me personally, ever. How I trade fundeds is far different from how I trade evals. Far different. How would I trade 50K evals aggressively? That's just how I look at evals. Why would I want to waste my time on an eval? I'd rather blow a few, pass, and then be really, really cautious on fundeds. That's just personally how I look at risk. Yo, as a reminder, I appreciate you guys being here on the TikTok, hitting that follow button. I trade live every day, win, lose, or draw. And also on YouTube, I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. If you guys need an account, we do have CPI on Wednesday. You can use code JDUN with Apex for 85% off. We might need to do an emergency office trading sesh here soon. Get the win streak started back up. How long am I staying on? Probably like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes maybe. Damn, we hit that 50% retracement to a T. Yep, the best day to pass the eval is CPI for data, at least. I prefer CPI over non-farm payroll, personally. This is my 2 cents. Yep, you can pass in 1 day on the new Apexes. You can pass in 1 day. That's why I say CPI is likely the best day for you on Wednesday. If you're willing to put some risk on. Sir J. Duncan, the toll, you're welcome. Windows. Ooh. Oh boy, oh boy. 625. Way above VWAP. Windows. No trade Monday for me so far. Think you'll pass on taking a trade today? Yeah, I think I will too, likely. We'll see. How old are you, Jdun? 46. 47 in May. I look pretty good for my age, huh? No. I just turned 18. I turned 19 in a few months. No, I can be unk now. I enjoyed. I actually had a lot of fun playing pickleball. I was like, why do I like this? What is wrong with me? Why am I like wanting to go join a league now? Does this mean that I'm old? I had a good feeling about the rest of this week. There was a few decent long setups today. Nothing I loved a lot. This first part of the day was a little choppy in here. You know, we had lower highs and higher lows. So we had the thing is, if you look at this chart here, guys, classic setup where you're going to explode to the downside or upside. We had this upside breakout, never got a full retest down. So this would have been the one entry. If we'd gone a little lower, I would have loved to have seen. And then up here, obviously, if we would have moved down, retested into here, I would have tried that as well. Oh! Woo! You know why the chat is dead? Because you never reply. We just be chilling. I'm here to help you make money. I mean, yeah, we have fun and we laugh sometimes, but I'm also like, I'm here to help you make money and stay patient. There is streamers that take 10 trades a day, and if you want to trade with them, you can. I always say, if you guys want to take signal after signal and take a bunch of trades, you can. But that's not what you're going to find here with me. It's just not. Not trading when there is no setups actually W. Maybe I should switch to my non-DOD account. That's hilarious. What you want it? I need to call. I need to call the school back. Hi, Beth. This is Jacob calling you back. Hey, good. How's it going? Happy Monday. Yeah, it's been all right. Just been steady. But what's going on with that event? It's next Monday, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm super excited. Should be a lot of fun. What time do you need me there? Of course. Easy. That sounds amazing. I'm super excited. Oh, sure. Dope. That sounds great. No. My my nah, my family all was out of state. Awesome. I'll see you then. Thank you. Bye. That's dope. I'm going back to that high school that I taught trading at, and I'm being a judge of their entrepreneurship, the school-wide entrepreneurship competition. So all the kids have been building businesses and making business plans, and I'm one of the 5 judges that they are having. Oh, there we go. I'm one of the 5 judges, which should be fun. I'm going to say, all right, whose business is the most DOD? It was cool. They had me back. They loved the teaching they got, and they invited me back to be a judge, which I thought was sweet. Did we end up getting that pullback? Yeah, just the 50%. Yep. No trades for me today. No trade Monday. There was some okay setups, nothing that I loved. No deep retracements for the uptrend, but just didn't end up taking anything. Go on up and go. The Nasdaqita. Still moving up. Looks like we want to fill that gap. I just don't trade slow rippers with no deep retracements well. I'm not sure how the structure is going to be for that judging. I just know I'm going to be there. I was invited to be a judge, and I'm going to do that. So we'll see. All right, guys. I'm gonna mob out of here. Maybe, probably not power hour actually. I'm gonna mob out of here. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Choose DOD. No wins, but also no losses. So few okay setups. Didn't end up pulling the trigger. Didn't get the pullback I wanted here. Didn't get the pullback I wanted back here. So overall, no trade from that aspect. And we'll get back to it tomorrow. God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. Peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Or maybe power hour. Probably not, though. Peace.